that you are doing well. Happy Wednesday, I think today is. I've been trying to do this video now for several days, so I do apologize that I'm just now doing a video. But today I want to show you some of the cool stuff that I purchased off of Amazon that I'm going to be doing for some nail art videos coming up soon. So I'm very excited to be trying out some new things. So this is a Saviland Carving Gel set that I purchased from Amazon. Now, it's not Saviland branded. I don't know why, but, or maybe this is their brand, but it's something different. Anywho, with these carving gels, you are able to form them just like Play-Doh per se. Like you're able to form them into different shapes, and then you would use like special silicone tools or something like that just to kind of create flowers or create different shapes and stuff on your nail. So I'm really excited to try these out because I saw some really cool pictures on Pinterest that had some really cool designs of flowers. So that's what I want to be trying. So as you can see, I'm able to form this into a ball, and then I would just apply this directly onto my nail. Now, I don't want to open all of the containers because I don't want to waste them. If I'm not using something, I don't want to open them right away. I just really wanted to show you the consistency. Now, this is another Saviland branded product with Saviland brand on here. This is Spider Gel. I mainly got these because I want to try my hands at creating those like lines on the nail, on the tip of the nail. I just thought it was really cool and really unique. So that's going to be my next challenge, trying to create some really cool designs with these colors. Now, it did come in a set of 6. I've already given one away, so I have 5 colors remaining, as you can see: blue, purple, green, yellow, and pink. And I'm just going to open up one again, just so that you can have an idea of what the consistency of this product is. It is super, super sticky. But I think once you can know how to get the lines done on the nails properly, it can be an actual fun product to work with. So that is how that color looks, and I'm going to put that away, and then we're going to move on to the next product. You can see here how sticky it is. Like I got some stuck on my finger, so yeah. Okay, so now let's move on to another product from Saviland again. You guys know that I really love Saviland for their variety of products. And it came with a set of brushes. Now, I typically prefer brushes that are brown. They just work better for me. Like these brushes that have that orangey kind of tone for me. I've had previous experience with Saviland brushes that they completely just pull out, and you know, they're kind of cheap and they don't work that well. So if you are going to purchase this gel paint collection, I've shown this on one of my previous videos where I was drawing lines, some flowers. If you are going to purchase this kit, I definitely recommend that you invest in some really good quality liner brushes. Now, you would have seen this gorgeous creamy white paint that I used before. So it comes with 12 colors, as you can see from the packaging. Again, I'm not going to open up all of them because I only want to open up a product when I am about to use them. So I'm just going to quickly show you the names of each product and try to put a picture on the screen of the color based on the Saviland listing on Amazon. Now let's move on to these hair chalks. Again, this one is also from Saviland, but it just doesn't have the Saviland branding. Now, I love DIY. I love custom. I love creating. I love experimenting. If you want to create your own custom colored polygel, then you need to have pigments, you need to have hair chalk, you need to have gel polish, you need to have something that you can color clear polygel with. This little palette, I will call it, is perfect because you can pour the polygel onto the palette, you can grind up some of the hair chalk using an electric drill, and you can mix it together, and that is your custom colored polygel. You're not always going to have the money to purchase polygel all of the time. I mean, if I could, I would, but I don't always have the money. So purchasing these hair chalks is going to be a fun challenge of creating custom colors for my polygel nails. So again, if you like DIY like me, definitely get yourself a set of these hair chalks. Now, let's move on to some gel polish. These ones are from the brand Modelones. I love their polishes. It's a nice thickness. Sometimes you can get away with just one coat with Modelones. This beautiful kit starts off with some beautiful stickers. I know I'm rambling and I'm talking a lot today, so I do apologize. It's been a week, y'all, so I just want to talk to you guys. So it came with the stickers, and then it comes with these beautiful colors. This denim blue, that is so stunning. I want to do a denim jeans nail because I saw another subscriber of mine did one. So when I saw her did, I was like, oh, I got to do it too. I have to try it too. So anyway, I'm gonna show you the colors of these. I have two kits that I want to show you the colors of the gel polishes of, and then I will come right back. Okay, so here is my second set of Modelones gel polishes, and these are more on the neutral side, not classical. And the first gray one, I didn't show them because I had those already, and I did an unboxing of another video with me showing those ones. So I just wanted to focus on the ones that I haven't shown yet on my channel, and these are some gorgeous neutral colors that I think everyone should have. Everyone should have a set of neutrals in their gel polish collection. So these are all of the wonderful natural and neutral colors from the Modelones collection. So now let's move on to the final product in this haul, which is the Femi Beauty and Makartt collection. And it comes with two sets of gel polishes, and then it comes with a polygel kit. So what I'll do is I'll start off with one of the gel polishes first, just opening up all of the bottles just so that you can get an appreciation of the packaging, the beautiful packaging, as well as the products in this collection. So this is the 6-color glitter gel collection, and these are all of the names of the products. Now, if you have watched her video, by now, most of us have already watched a few videos with this collection, so you are aware of the products in here. I just really want to focus on the colors in this collection. You can never have too many glitters, and Femi Beauty did allude to the fact that these colors are very unique and they haven't been offered from Makartt as yet. So I'm looking forward to trying out some really cool, glittery, summery kinds of glitter nails coming up. So those are the first three. Going to show you the remaining three, and then we're going to move on to the neutrals gel collection. Moving right along to the neutral gel polishes in this kit. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, Nails by Tia Bella on Instagram. If you're not, follow me. Thank you. I've already used this kit. So I'm posting this video today, Wednesday. I had this kit a few days ago, last week. So I've already done a design, and what I can say is I loved every single color. I used 5 colors out of this kit. This brown, it's like the brownest brown that I have ever used. I really enjoyed these gel polishes. They blended really well. They were smooth. There was no lumps when I cured them, because I've previously used gel polishes to create like a marble, and there was an area that just lumped up and it didn't cure. So anyway, let's move on to the Polygel kit, the final product in this long video today. So sorry that I'm talking your ears off. Starts off with a lovely little message from Femi in the inside of the box, and then we move on to the wonderful products in this kit. So we have our two little information pamphlets. Usually it's a code and some information about the products, and then we have our 4 polygel. I won't be doing any swatches because once I come up with the design, I will be able to show you the colors and the design of the nails. I don't want to waste my products. I honestly don't. So if you've watched a video of Femi Beauty unboxing so far, then you would have already seen the colors. So I don't want it to be kind of repetitious. I love the charms. The charms are really unique. I don't have these kind of charms in my collection. This is a bow, and the other charm is butterfly. And I actually don't have or would even know where to get them. So those are unique. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying out some designs using the charms. I would have actually thought, like when they first announced that this collection was coming, I really thought there was going to be like chunky charms and Hello Kitty stickers and, you know, some really wild, you know, embellishments. But anyway, that's fine. And then we have these kind of, I want to say dangle charms. So I thought this was unique as well. So I actually don't have anything like this or have seen something so similar. So I'm really looking forward to that being on like a ring finger and like a statement bling bling kind of, you know. This is the 100-180 file, and then the polygel brush, a nice brown brush. So we know that it's going to work really well. And also a spatula on the other end. So typical polygel brush and file that has been inside Makartt's previous kit. And then we have these 2 little glitter pots. They do have the names in the bottom, and there is some significance to the names and stuff like that. I have a little bit of scratch marks, and some of the glitters did kind of spill somewhere. I don't know, maybe Customs did that. But this is the gorgeous, gorgeous bling bling glitter in this kit. I love glitter. Like, my relationship with glitter is slowly becoming a growing one. And I love it. I love it that it's effortless and that it just adds another layer of bedazzlement to your nails without having to apply so much stuff onto the nail. So that's the second one. Look at how gorgeous that is. I mean, the light is just bouncing off of that. And if you could see, there's like little notes, like musical notes in this glitter. Like there's different kind of shapes in there. So you could actually just separate different shapes from that if you wanted to. So underneath, we have these dual forms. And then we also have these butterflies. Now, if you were thinking that these butterflies or those cheap butterflies that you can get, butterflies? Did I say butterflies just now? Those cheap butterflies that you could get off of AliExpress or Amazon, you are mistaken, my friend. This is not the same thing. These butterflies are different. They have like little antennas or something on them. So the other ones are just like the normal butterflies, but these ones from Femi, they're different. So again, there is something unique in here. These are the old dual forms that I got from the Hooked on Love collection. They're just basic. I haven't used them. They're still in the packaging. So I was thinking we were going to get something very similar, but we don't, sis. We don't. We actually have things that we can really use. Now, these are XXL or XL maybe. I think these are XL coffin tapered. Now, I did do an AliExpress nail haul, and I did get some XL or XXL coffin tapered nails. So I just really wanted to compare the two to see if there was a little bit of superiority, if that is a word, to the nail tips. And what I can say is the one from AliExpress as well as these ones from Makartt, they basically look extremely alike. What I will say though is the AliExpress one, sometimes they come a little bit clouded. So this one from Makartt, obviously they inspect their work and it's really clear, it's really stunning. But in terms of if there is a huge difference between the two, no, I would say the size is the same. Yeah, they look exactly alike. But I just, like I said, the Makartt one is extremely clearer. Now I'm going to be polishing these and covering these up anyway, so that's not going to be a huge deal for me. So if you were thinking to purchase and you or if you already have XL tips and you wanted to get some more, just letting you know that they're kind of almost the exact same thing. So what I was excited for with these dual forms is these square Like, I am square crazy these days, and I was super excited to see that there is some half cover dual forms, because I can apply that over my nail tip. I think I want to experiment with actually applying the polygel into the dual form and then applying it onto my nail tip. Look at how that, look, just look. Now remember, these square nail tips were the ones from AliExpress that were allegedly XXL. So this ain't XXL, boo. We're gonna have so much fun with these nail tips. We're gonna have a lot of fun with these nail tips. I'm looking forward to trying and testing these out. So this is basically one of the last set of products in this kit. There is also a mini lamp in this polygel kit as well. I do apologize if I talked a lot in this video, or if I'm talking too fast. I just was really super excited to show you all of these nail art stuff, and so that you get an idea of what you could look forward to in my upcoming videos. So if you have made it this far, thank you so much. Please leave a comment down in the description box. Let me know that you made it this far. I don't know, maybe put a little butterfly in the description. And I will see you in my next video, where I'll be doing some really cool designs. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.